Welcome back, everyone. This is video number 2, and in this video, as per our task 2, these following are the activities we will try to perform. So we have currently the state that when we are showing this simple h1 tag in our template or framework. So what we actually want to enhance is to set up a title bar. With the title bar itself will consist of two parts, left side and right side. We will definitely do this via some CSS styling. We will introduce isolated scope, how we can pass values, and if we have time, we will set up the web API project, at least create the web API project. And here it will look like that we will have this title bar set up. And let's start what we have already. Actually, I have code available already, and so I will simply put it there and go through with you just to save time. And also I added this controller here in our GHS framework directive.js. So this is our index.html, and here we have our framework and we have this one view. So let's start with styling. I added one app.css style sheet file, and container fluid class, which is actually this class on body tag. The padding is 0, and I change the background color to 444, a lighter gray, or you can actually, and then I reference this app.css file here just above my external modules. So let's see. So this is our background body, and now let's move on. So we want to style this area and we want to show this title bar. So I have some markup already available. Instead of h1 tag, let's replace this one with this HTML structure. So we have one container div with class JHS title bar. So this is our JHS framework template.html. I could have put all these classes in app.css, but actually I created a separate CSS file in the same folder. So all our related files are in the same directory. We have CSS, controller, directive, module, and template. So this whole feature is available under one directory, easy to navigate and access. So I have this title bar. So all these classes, CSS classes, are styled here. I will show you this one later, but let's see the HTML structure. Then I have a logo area, and then I have a right side control. This is our logo area, and these are our right side control. Inside our logo area, I have an image tag, and currently I am taking this avatar and using ng source. This avatar actually I came across via the Stack Overflow question. Some default image it is providing. You can set up one. We will do it at the later stage. Then I have a title area, and here I have one main title and subtitle and one div tag for right side control, which is currently empty. So we have our left logo area with one image, one div which contains two p classes, and we have these CSS classes set up. This is simple. You can actually take some default template online. This is plain HTML, and however style you want to do it, it's up to you. This is totally what you like it. There are many. I also actually copied it from somewhere and just reusing it. So when I replace this marker, let's see how it looks like, and refresh. So this is our image, this is our text, and we have empty right side. So not bad. And let's see. After that, actually, let's replace this one with this, fill this right side control. So I have this code also available. This is one div, and let me replace this whole block. So we have, how I did it, I will explain it. So what we did, actually, just below the title bar, now I introduce a row, which is actually a bootstrap class to give it a full width of the screen. Inside this row, I have two divs, column small 6, column small 6. So I have equally 6 columns available. So this one is my left side, the first 6 column, and the other 6 column are my right side control. Along with this column 6 class, I have this CSS class and simple button using bootstrap classes, button 1, 2, 3. So this will be these buttons. So we have here 6 columns, 6 columns. So this is how I arranged it. Let's see. Okay, something is simple POC, maybe here. I know GHS framework.css. I have right side control 60 pixels, so this is correct. Index.html. So I have CSS included. Maybe this is browser cache. Let me just refresh. Yes, it happened. So currently they are doing nothing, but we have got them someplace. So this, our title bar is almost ready. Now one more thing, this icon and this main title and subtitle, if we see here in our markup, how we set up, currently we have this framework and corresponding template via directive, having, we have hard coded this one. So let's try to pass them from our index page. So we could, because you can do it in any case, but let me show you. So this is our, let's replace with this markup. You can see the possibilities. I will just paste it so you can compare what is the difference. I think, yes. So this is our, was our existing tag. We introduced 3 attributes on this directive level: title, subtitle, icon file, and this sample POC app, a POC application, and icon file. I am providing this by setting up this value here in my framework directive. This is our scope, and we have set up an isolated scope. So one way to pass this value is actually very straightforward. We just need to read them like that in our scope. So in our scope, we are saying title, subtitle, icon file. Notice these variable names, they will be attached to our scope. In index, I have title, subtitle, and icon file. This is the snake case, and correspondingly here is the camel case. And what happen if I refresh? Interesting. So, and having this read directive, so I could reuse it with or without it. So currently, let me change this one, app one, title. So nothing, it did not change because we did not wire up these attributes to our HTML. So this is our title. This is our variable title. We will came here and simply say title. This is our clear, ever hard-coded Now we are passing these values. So control logo, subtitle, and icon file. Okay. Logo, subtitle. Sorry. Title, subtitle, icon file. Title, subtitle, and icon file. And because we change the value of this one here, F1, so this binding should work now. So just we are passing this way now. See, so that was it. And I think the web API project and the rest we will do in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.